It seems that the hardest part of craft time is the cleanup. Tiny pieces of cut up paper, glitter, and glue smeared on the table can make it difficult to want to attempt a craft with your kids. So here are some of our favorite Playside Creations no-mess crafts. Glue and scissors are not required. The first is the Scratch Art Bookmark Kit. These bookmarks are a great way for your kids to show off their creativity. They can write their name, their favorite Bible verse, or doodle to create fun shapes and designs. Once they have completed their project, attach one of the colorful, decorative cords, and the bookmark is ready to use. Next is the Fuzzy Art Faith Mini Posters. Teach your children about the importance of living with faith while they color in these fun mini posters. These can be hung up or placed in a Bible cover for safekeeping. Your kids can even utilize the empty space on the back to write out what faith means to them. And last, we have the sticky paper crosses. These are so nice because the adhesive is already there. Your kids only need to attach the fun toppings to make the creations come alive. You can use pom-poms, jewels, scratch paper, sequins, beads, macaroni, and the list goes on. You can even attach a magnet to the back, and your child's masterpiece can be proudly displayed in the highest place of honor, the refrigerator. These crafts are perfect for classrooms, vacation Bible school, birthday parties, and at-home activities. So if you dread the craft cleanup, or if you're on a time crunch, these Playside Creations crafts will be a great fit. Find more at Mardel.com or visit one of our stores.